morning. Today's day 29. Okay, and the first thing we're gonna do today is head out to a breakfast place at the closest village. I'm gonna meet Big there. He's the Thai friend that recommended me to this nice campsite yesterday. Okay, after that, because of the problem yesterday, we are gonna head to the city that the Thai army recommended. Okay, there's a huge workshop there that they say could help me check out the issue lah. Okay, we are at Oha Hi village. This is where Big recommended us.
Hi, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, the view here is amazing. Okay, this thing here is a giant swing. The ropes are now kept at the side. Okay, and then there's a Ferris wheel over there with a great view. Okay, around 2 weeks ago, I bought this pair of slippers from CHIANG. Okay, and 2,000 kilometers later, up a village, okay, in the north of Thailand, in a random restaurant. Okay, the seller is here now, also having his pizza here. This is called fate. So now the technicians are just gonna bleed out and replace the coolant because it's not properly mixed. Then we're gonna change this clip.